Welcome, welcome, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be here and excited to be reconnecting with Spirit and with the Archangels to serve everyone here with the energy and the sound and the voice of the angels to bless, serve, heal the greatest collective possible and to hold space for healing, especially during times of strife, during times of suffering, during times where the collective is feeling things that they don't wish to be feeling. And this is why I have returned to continue to hold the light and to hold the space for healing for each of us, for I myself feel it as well. But these recordings that are channeled through the archangelic realm are here right now as at a very important moment in time to remind us that together we are stronger than we are divided. Together, united in harmony, collectively, in peace, in healing, we can transform more than we can imagine. So I welcome you here. And the energy today feels like Archangel Gabriel and Archangel Uriel coming forward to infuse all of us with some healing, with some calming, peaceful energy to help us move through this period with as much ease and grace as possible, and to remind us that together we can shift not just ourselves, but those around us. And the more of us that unite together to shift, the more healing will be felt across the planet. As always, this is the purpose of these recordings and these messages. Thank you for being here. We're just going to clear some energy with sound. And you can join and tone as well if you would like to. You can ohm, you can chant, you can do whatever feels natural to you. And the more of us do this together at any point in time, the stronger the frequency will be to clear the energy of anything that does not serve us. We are here and we welcome you into this sacred container that you have chosen to be a part of, for it is time for great blessings. It is time for communion. It is time to work together towards the harmonious. It is time collectively to speak as one. What is it you wish to speak? For what you wish to speak shall be your reality, dear ones. As you know already, the power of manifestation and the power of the voice is monumental and pivotal right now. To use it in such a way that it will create more harmony and less division. When we come together as one and speak together as one and project the energy of wholeness, peace, tranquility, calm, and true, deep love for one another, that is when the miracles shall occur. For when it is speaking kindness and love and respect to one another that the frequency of the planet can raise, it is not going to be achieved through blame and through pointing the finger at your neighbor. Remember to love thy neighbor. Remember what it means to speak love upon the planet. Remember what it means to speak love to one another. For if you wish to achieve peace, harmony, and tranquility on your earth, you must speak it as such. You must exude peace and tranquility from the very, very bottom of your soul. So come together in this moment to rejoice and to reunite collectively in love, in forgiveness, in harmony, and in utter faith. For this will guide you through the storm, swiftly, quickly, and without any extra suffering. For you get to choose the journey, you get to choose the ride on which you join. Remember, here together, collectively with the one voice spoken together. You now may use your own voice collectively to come together and hum the sound of love, peace, forgiveness, and awareness. When you choose to hum the same note together collectively, that is when the frequency will raise so high that you will be lifted and transported together to a place of cosmic peace. Continue to speak to one another in a new language, one of love, of understanding, and use your third eye and your awareness in seeing one another as true family, as your sisters and your brothers. And remember how it is you wish to speak to your brethren, for this will help transition you into the highest field of beautiful, loving energy imaginable. And this is where your dream shall come true, for this is truly where everyone shall connect and unite in peace and harmony. This is what you call ascension. And this is what we call love. So come together with one note. You each have your own notes, but collectively when you string them together, it makes a chorus, a harmony for the ages. And us, the angels, will sing with you. And the music that is created together shall shift your realities on the earthly plane. So come together with one note of peace, of love, and of healing, and it shall be so. Take a moment and just listen to the wind. Allow yourselves to float in the air. Here you are supported and you are cared for, you are nourished, you are loved. You can feel yourselves collectively together on this wind, floating as one, singing a note of love and peace and healing together. And when you need to find comfort, come back to the wind and float upon the air, and know that we hold you and support you, and we sing with you in harmony to create a new, perfect peace. May you take this with you forever and journey in such a way that brings you immense comfort in the heart space. Thank you for being here. That felt wonderful to get into the energy of and to share that beautiful light and sound from Archangel Gabriel. And I feel like this is something that can be returned to, and that clip can be saved and replayed if it brought you any comfort or healing or understanding. Because within us is all the healing, and within us is all the understanding once we tap in and remember who we are and what we're made of. And once we recognize the infinite amount of support that we have. So for us to come together in this way is such a blessing. And I'm so grateful to be back and to be reminded myself that collectively we can shift, we can heal, we can do more through the frequency of love and peace than we can do through anger. So it is my hope that this message and energy reaches many people, and that it is shared, and that it is a reminder how collectively we can truly bring about enormous healing together when we work together and adjust our own vibration. I have great faith for all of us, and my wish for everyone is to find happiness and peace no matter where you find yourselves, because it is there, it's available to each of us. So I thank you so much for being here and for sharing your own light and energy. And if this was helpful to you, please share and like and follow along on this journey. I will also be doing more mediumship shorts. Please let me know if that's something that interests you. I feel called to do it, and I feel confident that the right people will be reached. And with that, I wish you all many, many, many blessings and healing, and let light fill your path forward, always holding the frequency of divine love in your hearts, for that is where it lives. Thank you. And so it is.